Hey, yo, Tio, back up, nigga. Hey, yo, I swear to God, I will body you right now, nigga. I'm locked in. What's good? Hey, what's good? I told you I didn't want to hurt you. I told you I didn't want to hurt you. But I'm like that. Stand up. You ain't gonna do shit, nigga. Got you. I'm a detective. I'm doing this for inspection reasons. I have to, you know what I'm saying? Oh.
Hey, what the fuck?
We're on Wolf Among Us. Let's go. We on Wolf. Now last time, I don't exactly. I just remember we were beating up some dude. You know what I'm saying? We was beating his ass type shit. Actually, we didn't even touch him. We beat up his club.
Hello? Business office?
I'm nosy. Okay. Lily. So this is Lily shit. She ain't got shit here. Cubby. Faith. Damn.
Lock's been busted.
Yeah, her
open.
shit was broken into.
Broken open, but there isn't even a lock.
Okay. No.
Faith, thanks for covering for me tonight. Let's talk before you go over to the apartment. Lily. Well, that jibes with what the woodsman told me.
Okay. I knew the woodsman wasn't like lying, bro. Like that nigga.
Lipstick, lip gloss, compact, glitter. Faith.
Anything else here? No. Alright, where was Shorty at?
Excuse me.
Yo.
I heard you out there.
Thank you for getting dressed. Thank you.
I don't remember ever seeing you here before.
Nope.
I didn't have a reason to come here before.
Type shit.
Yeah.
Why does she also have a ribbon around her neck?
You're trying to place me. They used to call me the Little Mermaid.
Wait, really?
Once upon a time. Does that help?
I'm gonna ask her.
You have legs. That a glamour?
No, they're real. Do you like them? They cost me a lot.
You have to pay for your legs?
My name is Nerissa.
Well, Nerissa, I've got some questions.
W Mermaid.
Of course you do.
Where's
I don't
Flounder
have
in them?
answers. You'll have to find those
And
yourself.
I see.
Did you see Lily last night?
Yeah,
You
let me
know,
ask about
where
Lily
she
first.
went or who she was with?
We can't talk about work.
Why not?
This is a murder case.
I mean can't. These lips are sealed. Discretion is our guarantee.
Oh, really? I got.
It's how things work here.
I don't care.
I don't give a damn about your guarantee. I need you to cooperate.
Yeah,
This is what I need to know about.
I need you to remember
Lily's
to
last
corroborate,
entry. Who's
bitch.
Mr. Smith?
Come on,
Where's
tee up.
room 207?
Talk to me.
I have to know.
These lips.
Or what? Say it. Seal. Go ahead.
Sheriff Wolf, would you like to make an appointment with me?
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. I do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I will.
What would I need to do?
I need 150. It's not good to be short.
Offer what I have.
This isn't enough, but it's all I've got.
She just robbed me?
Wait here for a second.
Okay. Got the Little Mermaid.
Not 207?
You'll think of something.
What do you mean out there? Alright, bet.
Arms.
Bet.
This is where they met.
Enjoy your stay. I hope you find what you're looking for.
You're not gonna come with me? What did I pay you the one, however much I gave you for? You're not finna, you know what I'm saying? She just robbed me. That's what she just did. She robbed me. I feel robbed. What's happening here? Yo. What has happened? Oh my god. Okay. That was awkward. But okay. Weird ass police officer. Why she hug him? Like, hugging is kind of awkward. Unless they just like a regular or some shit.
They should probably repair that.
Probably.
If the rooms are anything like the lobby, they should cut their rates.
Yeah, this shit is ass. Coca-Cola machine.
Yeah, this shit'll kill you.
It's New York. In New York. Nobody's gonna come because nobody cares. Oh,
Want it by the hour or for the whole night?
where's your face? Oh,
You.
I work here, okay? I work the front desk. It's to help pay rent. So,
okay.
now you know.
Beauty.
I know I
That's-
should have told somebody, but Beast would lose his mind if you knew.
You should tell
You
Beast.
should really tell Beast. He's worried about you.
I will. I just need to in my own time. By the way, thanks for covering for me.
You welcome. I got
So,
you.
what are you doing here?
Working.
Oh, you have a key.
Someone else was murdered last night.
I heard.
The victim was someone who worked at the Pudding and Pie. Lily. She, come around here ever?
Oh.
W Jizz.
Oh, yes.
I'm not even trying to riz up Beauty,
Troll.
bro.
I did see her. I mean, you know, we never really spoke, but she came off a tad intimidating.
I'm not trying to riz Shorty up. That's Beauty's. You know what I'm saying?
Ever see Lily with someone here? Maybe on a job.
Sometimes, but nobody I've recognized. I haven't worked here that long, though.
How about a room register? Or someone named Mr. Smith?
That's all we get here, Smiths, Jones, or Johnsons. I think the last ones are jokes.
Hmm. Have you seen Snow
We've
around
seen
here?
Snow White down here. Or maybe somebody glamored as her.
You know, it's funny. I did see someone who I thought looked a lot like her, but she didn't say anything when she saw me, even though she knew that I saw her.
Hmm.
I just assumed it wasn't Snow and went about my business.
Type shit. Did you know Faith? I know. I gotta ask a lot of questions, bro. I'm a detective, bro. I gotta be on my
Or just
detective
maybe hear
timing.
that name.
I might
Bruce
have.
Wayne type shit.
I don't know. By the end of the night, it's kind of a blur with all the names. Tara, Brandy, Amber, Heather. Sorry.
I understand.
Thanks.
Wait. It'll be better if anyone sees you that they at least see you with me, so they know that I didn't let you just wander around by yourself. 5 minutes, please.
We'll see, beauty.
Just be ready to act like I'm trying to kick you out.
That won't be hard.
Thank you, bro. I think I said W jizz.
Listen, Bigby.
Yo.
I assume you'll be filing some kind of an official report or something. Which is fine, it's just that I was wondering if I need to be in it. Do you have to mention my name? I mean, it's not like Beast would ever see your report. It's just...
It's not much of a report if I start picking and choosing which facts to include.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, here we are. Which one was it?
The fuck? Yo. Hello? Oh my. Oh. 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 Okay. I'm gonna mind my business. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna mind my business. I'm gonna mind my business. I'm gonna mind my business. You don't hear that? Yo. No, I'm on my business. 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 What? I don't even know what room key I got. All right, we going here. We going here. Nah. I'm a detective. Detective work. I'm just doing this for detective reasons. Fuck.
You have keys to these rooms?
I thought you had a key.
Not to this one.
Hold on, Bigby. I can't just let you go into any room you want.
Yes, you can.
I
I'm a
mean,
detective.
What if someone's in there? You can't just go barging in.
I'll break it down.
You
Then.
just break in the door if you prefer.
No, don't. I'll help you.
Thank you.
Just
Thank you.
don't
Thank you.
break
Thank you.
anything.
Got you. I'm a detective. I'm doing this for inspection reasons. I have to, you know what I'm saying? I have to, you know what I'm saying? Oh.
Hey, what the fuck?
Sorry.
Yo. Oh my god. Yo, didn't show anything. My bad.
Jesus Christ. You're gonna get me fired.
That's your fault.
I need this job.
Damn, too bad.
I'll be careful.
Yeah, it was detective reasons, bro. I had to make sure nobody was in there getting killed, you know. You never know around these parts. You know what I'm saying? 204. Okay. Okay, that's the room I was supposed to go to.
This one.
I really don't think I should.
Seems normal.
See anything?
Nope.
I was just doing detective work. Alright, this one, for sure, this one. Okay.
207.
Open this one.
Open this one.
This one's fine.
Well, that's weird. This key is supposed to open every room in the building.
But it's not working.
Beauty!
Ah, shit.
Beast?
What is this nigga doing here?
How could you do this to me?
Do what?
No, sweetie, no. Wait a minute.
Yo.
How could you do this?
If I gotta
We've been
beat this
together
nigga's
through
ass, man.
everything. I took care of you. I love.
It's not what you think. Please.
I
You're
promise you
cheating
it's
on
not.
me
Bro.
with him?
Nobody's
no,
cheating,
please.
bro.
I
She's
promise
doing
I'm
her
not.
job.
I'm helping him. That's all.
That's it,
I'll
bro.
bet. I'm sure you help each other just great. I know what this place is.
Nigga, I'm on a
This is a
case.
murder investigation. She's helping me.
Stop lying to me.
Nigga, I'm not, bro.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Yo, bro.
She's my wife.
Nigga, I'm a
Listen to me,
detective,
there's
nigga.
nothing going on. I'm
Hey, yo, hey, Tio, back up, nigga. Hey, yo,
finally
I swear to
see
God,
you
I
for
will
who
body
you
you right now,
are.
nigga.
Stop.
I
Stop
did
it.
this before. I did this
I
before.
knew you were sneaking
Don't do this, bro.
around.
I don't want to hurt you, bro.
Hurt you, so
I
just
don't.
calm
I
down.
will
Beast.
beat your ass, bro. Back up, bro. Oh God. You know what I'm saying? Hold up. Nope. Weave. You talking about? Nigga.
hell
Lame man,
you think
nigga.
you're doing?
That's why you suck. You can't even hit, bro. Punch
You
like
aren't
a
even listening to
bitch.
me.
Ha! Got him. Grab your shit. What's good? What's good? What's good?
She's my wife, Bigby.
I'm locked in.
I
Locked
told
in.
you.
Locked in. Locked in. What's good? Hey! What's good? What's good? I told you I didn't want to hurt you. I told you I didn't want to hurt you. I told you I didn't want to hurt you. But I'm like that. I'm like that. I'm like that. Stand up.
Leave it
Stand up.
be.
Stand up. You ain't gonna
This
do
is my
shit,
fault.
nigga. What's good?
Beast, no.
Hey, yo, what are you doing? What are you doing? Weave! Wait, I moved. I guess I was supposed to get hit. Okay. Mucky! Yes. Ooh! Ah! Oh my god! Oh! Oh, Jesus! Jesus! Oh, shit! Oh, okay. Okay. Bink! Wait, you want me to do it again?
Baby, no, don't hurt him.
I made him again. Bink! I made him again. Bro, you not see this nigga? What? That would've happened to me at first.
You ruined everything.
Who?
She's my fucking wife.
Nigga, I didn't do shit. Oh my god. Tee up. Oh.
Shit, Bigby.
Oh.
What have you done?
Oh.
What is this?
I told you, nigga.
What you
I swear,
did
yo,
to the
I hate this
door.
nigga, bro.
You can't just act like this whenever
Stay
you.
this
Back.
nigga, bro.
You don't want to see this.
I hate this nigga, bro. Ew. Is that glamour?
Shit.
What is it?
I told you.
God.
Yo,
Don't
just
touch
step back.
anything.
Is this?
Lily met her client here, Mr. Smith, whoever he is.
And then,
Must have happened right here.
Jesus.
last night?
Yeah?
I was on shift last night.
On shift? Judy, what?
I'm not a prostitute, you idiot.
I work the front desk.
Do you remember who rented this room last night?
I don't think anyone did. Not last night. Maybe they have it long term. I don't know. How am I supposed to know? It just seemed like a totally normal night. How is that even possible? There's so much blood.
That's
Go
crazy.
lock the front door. Keep people out of the hallway. I need you to be sure no one comes in here. This is a crime scene, okay?
Just do what he says. I'll
Please.
explain later, okay?
Yeah, please explain later. Nigga just tried to beat my ass for no reason. I told him what was up, bro, and
Maybe.
niggas
What
keep
kind
thinking
of
I'm a
person
bitch.
could do
Like, I'm
something
not.
like this?
That's exactly what I'm
I'm
about to
like
try
that
to
for
find
real.
out.
I'm like that for real. Alright, cassette.
Do all the rooms have these same clocks with the built-in cassette player?
I think so, yes. I can't believe this.
Compare the lilacs.
Where'd you get that?
Lily had it in her hand, in case there was any doubt over who died here.
Examine. There's an apple?
Do you smell something?
That apple was bitten into.
Just apple.
Is it a poison apple? Like on some, you know what I'm saying? On some like Beauty and the Beast? Not Beauty and the Beast. Snow White
We
type shit?
shouldn't even be in here. What is that?
It's a book about Snow White. Or about the Mundy version of her story, anyway.
Turn the page.
The whole book is about her?
Yeah. Huh.
Fuji
What
apple.
is it?
I think the apple is part of his fantasy about Snow White.
Yeah.
Would explain the one we found on the floor.
Yep.
Oh no. Do you think it was poisoned?
It wasn't. I'd have smelled that. I think it's just a prop. It's here because they were acting out the scene in the book.
That's kind of awkward.
Of course. That makes perfect
That's mad
sense.
awkward.
They were acting out the thing with her stepmother and the apple, which is really creepy when you think about
It's
it.
very
You
creepy.
know, she almost died when...
Oh, I read the same story. Bitch. Fuck.
Why is she in a glass coffin?
This is the part
So
where
she
she's
was
in
asleep.
a
Yeah.
deep sleep, but
Yeah.
they think she's dead.
Yeah, but she's not.
Oh no. What? What is it?
I don't know. Was she breathing?
Just looking at this page with Snow in the coffin, I think Smith may have an obsession with death.
He's obsessed with Snow and obsessed with death. Oh my god, that poor girl. She couldn't have known. She probably just needed the money. She could have been anyone.
You.
How did she wind up here? I mean, not exactly here, but just how does a person...
It sounds like there was a series of choices involved.
Yeah.
I'm sure she'd have done things differently if she knew where things were headed.
Ha! No
Yeah.
pun intended. Headed. Ha! That was kind of funny. I'm a funny person. Alright, let me back out. They got
She must have been
drugs.
so scared.
He brought wine.
Classy.
What is this, a paper plate?
Maybe she didn't see it coming.
Yo, shut up! Stop talking. Please. For my arrival. 999? What is moving in? Is that a dress?
Damn it, get it together, Beauty. Be strong.
Someone's been rough with this dress.
Yeah.
It's torn.
Oh no, she must have been wearing it. He killed her and then he took it back off?
It's kind of awkward.
No, there's no blood on it. It must have been torn some other time.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
no, there's more? What? What now?
Is it her body?
This is the same dress as the one in the book about Snow. I think Smith was dressing Lily up in it to recreate the Snow from the book.
You're right. It's the same dress. It's another match to
I'm
what's in the
locked
book.
in. I'm locked in. I'm locked in.
God, I'm just having trouble processing all of this. This guy has some kind of weird Snow obsession, but then there's this other stuff too. He's got a death fixation. That doesn't bode well for anybody. I hope you're just about through. I don't really want to stay
Death
in here
obsession.
any longer.
I don't know who it could be, to be honest. I hope a body doesn't fall out, bro. Like, I'd be scared. Oh, yeah, he's a
Those
creep.
Pictures of the dead girl.
Yeah, he's a creep. Man, I need a Simply Kev stream.
How do you know?
He
in
streamed
this
like
one.
a couple days ago.
It was taken last winter.
Oh no. Bigby. This kind of stalking, it doesn't just stop by itself. Trust me, I know about this firsthand.
Type shit.
You'll keep trying to get closer and closer.
His stand-in for Snow's
Why did I
gone
just see
now,
somebody
so
at the
The
mirror?
next step closer.
What is it?
It's Crane.
Ew. Ew. Yo. He broke the mirror? Yo. The fuck? Hello?
He could be after you now.
Good. I am dying to get my hands on that
Yo, that's
disgusting weasel.
crazy. Insane. Nasty ass nigga. The fuck?
I'm really starting to like you, Sheriff. You're not afraid to be a complete bastard.
Type shit, type shit.
Obviously, there will have to be some changes.
Ah, that
I'm
nigga.
gonna shave your skin off one sheet at a time.
What did he do?
Take care of it, Big B, or I'll take care of it for you.
Take care of what? Yo, why is everybody on my ass?
Jesus Christ, baby.
Oh shit.
Is that you?
Big B on timing. That was it? You and 60 other players sympathize with him? Yeah, I sympathize with the nigga. I can't believe I did. Even though he knew the whole time it wasn't her. You and 62% of players persuade him to talk. You know what I'm saying? We some smart niggas. You and 91 players let her make her own decision. She's a woman, you know? She's her own person. She deserved to make her own decision. You and 69 players just didn't hit Georgie. Yeah, I just figured I didn't need to hit him. You and 13 other players hit Beast for a second time. Hey, he wanted to try me, bro. I gotta let people know I'm not to be played with. Like, I gotta let people know. Like, they keep trying me, but they need to know that I'm not to be played with. Damn. Well, I guess that's it. Damn, bro. Nah, that was a good chapter. That was a good chapter. I can't believe I had to cut it like it's so short. Like, it's probably gonna be my shortest video. It's probably gonna be my shortest one, but that was a good chapter. This game is fire. This game is fire.